is the Walgreens uh Gamer V Portable. I have torn it down. It was actually kind of hard to find these secret screws. Uh, there were some secret screws that I took off. This is powered by AA batteries. It's got some really crappy games. It would only be fun if you're like a little kid under the age of 5. This is the inside of it. Now, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna put this back together and turn it on in the same video. We did it! We did it. We put it back together. Oh yeah, this weird thing. Hiding the screws. Yeah, it seems to crash a lot. Curly monkey too. Crashed again. Curly monkey too. What the heck? Yeah, it's hard to see that, isn't it? Okay. Yeah, so there's 220 really crappy games on here. And I'd only recommend it if you're like a poor single mother who wants to give some little toy to their 5-year-old or something. I think that'd be the only time it'd be fun. Yep, it freaking crashed again. Now, when I was tearing it down, I was actually kind of hoping that I could find some kind of, oh wait, I need to look for the memory on it or something. Maybe I could, like, desolder that and put something else on there. I'm happy that it successfully tore it down and then put it back together again, though.